Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will try to help you to download Microsoft Office and install from your account. Let's start. Open any browser. In the address bar, enter office.com and press enter. In top right corner, you will see sign in. Okay, click it. Enter your email where you have the subscription. Okay, next, send code. They will send code at your email. See, press sign in. Here I just put don't show this again, and yes. It's up to you if you want to put yes or no. Okay, I press yes. Now, to see your subscriptions, what you have purchased from the Microsoft, in the top right corner, here is shortcut of your Microsoft email or account. Press this one, press on this one, and then my Microsoft account. Click on this one. Now press this services and subscriptions. Select this tab, click on it, scroll. Here you will see all the subscriptions that you have it with the Microsoft. Here I have it Office Professional Plus 2021. I have 2 licenses. Just put it down, and here you will get the install link. Okay, just press on this one and then select the language and then the version. Okay, and then install. It is downloading. You can see it here on the top right. It is the Microsoft Office exe file. Okay, it has been downloaded. Okay, so if you want to see where it is, either we go show in the folder. Okay, or if we don't want to see it from there, okay, then go in the bottom taskbar. In the middle you see File Explorer. Okay, File Explorer, and select Downloads. All your download files are here. Okay, this is Office setup. Now we will start to install the Office on this computer. Double click this file that we have downloaded just now. Uh, a small screen will pop up. It says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Press yes. Now you will see this screen. I will close other. Just wait, it will take time. Now it is very near. The installation process is going to complete. It has been installed.
Now, in the last step, we have to activate the Microsoft Office that we have installed and link with the subscription. Let's start. In the search box, type Word. You will see it here. Open it. Okay. Just close this window. Okay. Accept license agreement. Press close. Open the blank document. Press this one. Okay. We are in the screen that where we have to activate our license. In the sign in, first we sign in. Okay, and then we have to enter the same email address where our subscription exists, and then we have to press this activate. When we press this activate, it will show you all the subscriptions that you have in your account. Just select the subscription and it will be activated. That is the whole process. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.